Alright, so if you own Galaxy Bud Plus, sometimes one of the earbuds will like be in your ear and just like you can't hear anything. It sounds like it's clogged or like the sound is like lower than the other. I figured out the problem. I went to support and did all the things they said to do. Restarted the phone, checked the update, if it's all updated and blah blah blah, clean it. I did all the cleaning. What you physically have to do is not only do you have to clean that end, don't even wipe it. You literally have to put your mouth on this, unfortunately, and inhale upwards and it fixes the problem. It takes out whatever oil and stuff is in there. And you simply inhale, like kind of, it's not getting in your mouth or nothing. Like it's not fucking, big ass pieces coming in your mouth, obviously, but it's those small holes you inhale and it lets the sound in. So it's really the earwax that's holding the sound in, not the actual earbud itself. Try it out. Let me know if it works for you because it just worked for me.